Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
5. Use a jade roller after applying a face serum, oil, or moisturizer. It's best to use the roller on slightly moist skin. Contrary to a lot of claims, jade rolling doesn't actually help products to better penetrate the skin, but rolling on moist skin will be more comfortable, says Perlmutter.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Gently rolling or massaging the delicate skin on your face, neck, and clavicle can help to increase blood flow, help with lymphatic drainage, and may even help to make the face appear less puffy and more contoured. There are many types of facial rollers to choose from, and all of them can be beneficial.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To clean your facial roller, wipe the stone clean with a damp cloth or soft towel, and never wipe with very hot water or soak in water. For a deeper clean, use a gentle soap or cleanser to wipe away product buildup and kill bacteria. To dry, leave it on a soft cloth or towel and leave to dry.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
4 minutes. The whole process should take 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how many passes you're doing and how many areas of the face you're hitting. As you're working the jade face roller, you'll see your skin start to flush. This is a good thing. It means circulation is increasing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.